Good morning, guys. This is Jose Orellana, el Viajero Sin Fronteras. One more time in San Luis Reservoir, Dinosaur Point. It's about 6:47 today. Okay, and the sun is about to rise. You don't see much right now because it's dark. But I coming here to do another video. And I think this is the last video I'm gonna make in this place for now. Today I have 3 baits. I have anchovies, shrimp, grass shrimps, and I also have a bloodworm. Okay, I hope that I get some stripers today so I can show it to you guys. The place has been hot. There's been a lot of stripers catching during this week. Okay, I received couple pictures from different people with the very nice stripers. 22s, a lot of 20s, and 25s, 28. I think one guy from Los Banos, he got a 32 inches, and another guy from Mantica, he got another, I think, 40 inches. So it's been a lot of stripers biting because it started to get warm. So han habido bastantes capturas. Como ya se puso algo calientita el agua, el striper está picando. Okay, so during these days, durante estos días ha estado muy bueno. Espero que hoy también esté bueno. I hope today is a very good day, and we can catch something good. We'll see. So easy. Remember, you gotta pay now at the entrance. You don't pay at the bottom anymore. Okay, for those who hasn't come here for months, now they move the pay station all the way up front, which I think is better. Okay, I think it's better. And remember, they open at 6 o'clock and they close at 5:30. 5:30, you have to get out of here because they come and get you. Okay, so you cannot stay here. So the wind today is about 5 miles per hour. It's not too strong for now though. Maybe later it's gonna be 7 down, like in the afternoon. It's gonna be like 7 miles per hour, which is also not too bad. Okay, this is the bottom parking lot right here, and I'm coming to the corner because I'm gonna go fishing at the bank right where they're launching the boats. So I gotta go all the way up here. We'll see how everything goes today, guys. Vamos a ver cómo empieza y termina el día, porque hay que ver todo eso, cómo va a estar. Miren nomás. Ahí está el mismo guy de siempre. Ok. So, me voy a poner aquí. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start fishing. Well, you can do it. Okay. So it's not about the age. It's all about fishing. Is all about your decisions. So all what you desire, whether you want to go to a spot accessible. I know this is a very good spot right here where I taking you guys. Okay. So you guys gotta see how I come down here. It's easy. It's not hard. Okay. Faster, as easy way. Not a lot of people coming fishing in this spot right here because they don't know how easy it is to get over here. They think it's difficult. A lot of people fish on the boat ramp. It's good over there, but it's better over here. This is a very good spot. A little difficult, but not harder. It's not really that hard to come and fish over here. Okay? It's simple. Just watch where you're going, and right now it's still slippery, but it's accessible. And it's a very good fishing spot right here. Yesterday I was in another spot in the other side of the lake, and it was good. We caught 2 stripers with anchovies. Today I decided to come here. It's foggy. This morning it's foggy. So I decided to come here and this spot right here. And it's been pretty good. A lot of people is fishing down there in the ramp. So I don't want to fish over there because there's a lot of people. And I want to try this one today. I've been fishing here for so many years, but I haven't come here in a long time. So 2026 January 23rd it's gonna be awesome here. I hope it's a very good day for fishing, but you don't get to see it until you get down there and start fishing. When you catching the first one, then you can say it's very good. Now I just say it's the day today is not bad for fishing. It's a very, very good fishing day, but we don't know until I catch the fish. So we'll see. Lot of mushrooms right here. Look at these mushrooms. Very good mushrooms. They are eatable. But I'm here for fishing, not for mushroom hunting. So we'll see how everything goes. Because in this part of the lake, it's always been good. Oh well, I think here is fine. I got anchovies today. I have shrimps and I have a little bit of bloodworms. Not too many, but I got some. I hope they are still good so I can do good over here fishing. You can see all that, guys. There's a couple boats here fishing. We'll see. We'll see. See, I came down to the lake and it was not that hard, but it's chilly. It's chilly. It's cold. So the stripers are very deep. I hope I can get me something good. Let's finish, get to the place, and set up. So I'm gonna be fishing for, I don't know, maybe 5 hours. Okay, not that much. Sometimes I don't even need 5 hours. All I need is like 1 hour. But that depends when they're biting very good. So we'll see how everything goes from here. I think I'm gonna set up camping right here. I'm gonna set up spot here and take a look. Boats and boats and the water, nice and clean water. Okay, bear with me, guys, bear with me. I'll show you as soon as I get something. Thanks. Pesca, 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 mi amigo, pesca, pesca, mi hermano. Pesca, 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 mi hermano. Pesca, pesca, pesca. Hermosa fish. Pesca, 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 mi hermanito. Fishón, fishón. Pesca, pesca, mi brother. Pesca, 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 mi hermano. Pesca, pesca, pesca. It's coming. Ahí viene, ahí viene. Coming. Coming up, guys. Coming up. Oh, yeah. Beautiful striper, guys. Beautiful striper. Good. Coming. It's coming. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Okay. Oh, it's a keeper, guys. There's a keeper. There you go, guys. Yes. Woo-hoo-hoo. Beautiful. First fish of the day, guys. First fish of the day. Look at this baby. So nice, so healthy. Oh, wow. This is what I'm talking about, cousins, primos, brothers and sisters. Nice striper, San Luis Reservoir. My secret spot. Okay? Anchovies. Okay? Anchovy. I only been here for 1 hour. And this is my first fish. Okay? So, beautiful. Hey, very nice fish. 19 inches. Okay, beautiful. We got it. Stay tuned with me, guys. Stay tuned. Look, guys. Look how the panoramic looks today. It's a lot of foggy. Okay, but and it's chilly. Okay, it's chilly. Look at it on the other side. That's an island right there. Beautiful. It's nice and it's been biting with anchovies. Okay, so it's pretty good. Okay, guys. So bear with me, okay? Okay, guys. I done for today. I'm gonna pick it up. It's time to go home. I were just fishing here, but I was able to catch one striper, and that's it. I'm going home right now. I'm done for today. So I gotta drive 2 hours back to the house. So I'm gonna continue picking up my stuff, okay? I'm gonna get the other one and we'll see how everything goes. It's time to go home. Yep. Yeah, and it's getting late. Yeah. So I was lucky today. I just got one fish, 19 inches. Pretty good. So gotta go home and relax. Gotta go fishing tomorrow, Saturday. Bay Area. Gonna go catch some crabs. So I'm done for today. 2 days in a row. No fishing, no good catching, but it's been slow for 2 days. So perdí la pesa. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay. This is what I have. This one is coming with me. Look at it, guys. It's still alive. This is my dinner. Okay. The catch of today. Awesome fish. Beautiful. This is what we got. This is what we got. I was lucky I catch this fish. Okay, lucky. But that's a nice fish. So see you in the next video, guys. I hope you guys can watch it tomorrow. And if you guys want to come and fish over here in the side, come all the way to San Luis Reservoir, Dinosaur Point. You guys can come over here. It's easy to come all the way here to these hills. Not a difficult. And hope you guys have a very luck than me today. If you come tomorrow or a week for tomorrow. And I hope I see you here fishing so we can fish together. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching El Viajero Sin Fronteras. Thank you for being a subscriber and a big supporter from me. Don't forget, make a comments, hagan comentarios, and give this thumbs up, like. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I appreciate your support. Hey, guys. I done for today. I calling off. I spent here from 7 o'clock until right now. It's about 4:30. And I was unable to catch anything. I tried worms, anchovies, grass shrimps, and nothing. So sometimes fishing is like that. Okay, I hope you guys understand. But I spent a lot of time here today thinking that I might catch something good, but I didn't. The people in the boat, they went over there and they did catch some. Okay, but I couldn't. I don't have a boat, so I didn't. But I like to fishing from the bank. and I know that you guys like it to see me fishing in the bank. So, hey, today is just enjoying day, beautiful day. It was awesome day. I enjoy being here. I made lunch here. People brought me lunch, and we enjoy with a lot of friends. So we spent a good time together. Okay, hey, I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, this is it. It's fishing. Okay, sometimes we don't catch nothing. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thank you for watching El Viajero Sin Fronteras. I know you have a choice, but you choose to watch my videos. And I appreciate that big time. Thanks.